Hi kids, hello grade 2. Ayan. Last time, napag-usapan natin yung symmetrical at saka asymmetrical. Okay, ngayon naman, pag-usapan natin yung congruent figure. So, identify yung congruent figure. Okay, let's define congruent. Congruent figures have similar form and equal measurement. Pag sinabi natin congruent, hindi lang sila pareho ng shape, ayan, kundi pareho din sila ng laki o ng measurement. Okay. The symbol for congruent is expressed in this. Ayan. Kung nakikita nyo itong ayan, encircle ko, this is how we express the congruent. Yung equals tapos may wave dun sa taas ng equals. So kapag non-congruent naman, lalagyan lang natin ng slide. So not congruent na siya. Pero kasi uusapan natin ay congruent. So wala to. Yan, ganyan ang yan ang tinatawag na congruent sign. Okay. Okay, so tingnan natin tong star A at saka star B. Are they congruent? Okay. Pareho silang color blue, pareho silang star, pareho ba sila ng laki? Okay. So star A is congruent to star B. Bakit sila congruent? Kasi magkamukha sila ng shape at magkamukha rin sila ng laki. Okay, ng measurement. So A is congruent to B. Okay, how about this one? Pareho ba sila ng shape? Yes, pareho silang heart shape. Pareho sila ng color? Yes, pareho sila ng color. Pareho ba sila ng measurement? Hindi. So, heart A is not congruent to heart B. So, mangyayari, yung heart natin, ayan, lalagyan lang natin yung congruent natin, lalagyan lang natin ng diagonal line. So, which means that is not congruent. Okay. Okay, next tayo. Okay. Is crescent moon A is congruent to crescent moon B? Ayan. Pareho silang crescent? Pareho ba sila ng shape? Pareho ba sila ng size or ng measurement? So, hindi. So, crescent A is not congruent to crescent B. Okay, so A is not congruent to B. How about this one? Tingnan nyo nga yung arrow. Okay, pareho sila ba ng laki? Pareho sila ng size? Pareho sila ng shape? Okay, yes. Kahit na naiba yung pwesto ng arrow ng yung pwesto ng arrow B dun sa arrow A, pareho naman silang arrow at pareho naman silang ng size. So, arrow A is congruent to arrow B. Yan, kahit na iba yung pwesto o yung position ng isang figure, basta magkamukha at saka magka-size, masasabi natin na congruent sila sa isa't isa. They are congruent. How about this one? Okay, pareho ba sila pareho silang triangle? Pareho ba sila ng size? Yes, pareho sila ng size. Pero hindi sila magkapareho ng color. Okay, ang sabi natin, pag congruent, o ginagamit natin ng congruent, saan daw? Sa same figure or same shape, and same sizes. So hindi usapin kung magkaiba man ng color ng kanilang shape. Pag sila ay pareho ng figure, pareho ng size, so they are congruent. So in this case, magkaiba lang ng kulay yung triangle natin, pero magka-size sila at saka pareho sila ng shape. So triangle A is congruent to triangle B. Okay. So madali lang yung ating lesson. Yan. So, first ko, gawin natin yung page 6 ng ating worksheet. Yan. Okay. Yan, gawin natin yung worksheet natin na page 6. Okay. So, tomorrow, magdi-discuss naman si Teacher F yung worksheet natin. Checkan naman natin ng Wednesday at saka ng Thursday. Okay, at saka magre-review na rin. Okay, so malapit na tayong matapos, kids. Madali na lang itong mga ibang pag-aaralan natin. Okay. So, yan muna tayo. At magkita ulit tayo bukas for another lesson in AP naman. Okay, so thank you and goodbye.